Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Something that we use every day at work. But I am not talking about Excel, I am talking about Gmail. We use Gmail every day at work, but today I am going to share with you few hacks that can make you productive at work, and also it is going to save you a lot of time. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again, and what we are going to learn today are few Gmail hacks that are hiding inside Gmail that can save you a lot of time and especially make you more productive at work. So very quickly we will start, and the first hack is very useful. What happens is, normally we check the mail and send, but as soon as we send, afterwards we realize that we have missed something, or we just want to undo the mail. So normally what happens, I will show you one by one. We go to compose, and maybe I have another ID there. I will mail please check, okay, and send. So you can see here this part, that message send undo view message. So if I undo it, it's undo because I can have to recheck or anything. So what normally happens, what we can do is, we can go to settings, see all settings, and in the general tab itself you will see that undo send is there, and I have done it 30 seconds. So normally it is just 5 seconds, which is a very short span of time. So you can put this up to maximum of 30 seconds, which can at times be very helpful, especially when you have missed out something on mail or anything you want to recheck whether it's correct or not. After sending, you can just undo it up to 30 seconds. So this is a beautiful hack, right? Second hack is in the general settings itself, the signatures tab. Okay, I will show you one second. Again, we'll go to compose, and you can see this pen. This is the signature thing. Normally 99% I have seen they just keep a single signature for everybody. Whoever it is, they have a single signature. But let me tell you, when I go to this signature, it asks me whether I have no signature, or whether it is for my normal, only my name, or I have, suppose, my ICI where only membership number is written, etc, etc. So this can be beautiful, because for many people you may need different signatures. Sending same to all is little bit unprofessional, and you may also send mails to non-professionals or students or anywhere. So how we do is very simple. In the general setting itself, what we can do is go to signatures in the general settings tab, and here you can create new as much as you want. You can just type the signature name, and whichever you want you can add it. This hack can be beautiful when you want to segregate between professional, non-professional, or personal, everything, right? Third hack is also in the general tab, which is the most amazing one. Whenever I am meeting professionals or anybody, maximum common line that you will hear is, today I am wasted time on phone. From morning I am just picking up the phone and doing nothing else. Well, this hack is for you if you want to divert few clients, especially when you are on a holiday, or you are on a leave, or you are out of office. What we can do is send them automated mails that you are on leave or you are out of office, anything, so that when you are out of office or when you are on vacation, you will get less calls, because people will understand that you are out of office, so they will disturb less. This can be beautiful. So let us see that carefully. I will exit and show you once again, okay, so that there is no confusion. So I'm going to show you from scratch. We go to settings and see all settings once again, and in the general tab only we go to the bottom, okay, and here you can see vacation responder is there, right? This is very beautiful. I will show you live. So when I switch it on, suppose today I am switching it on for, maybe I will shoot some back date, okay, and July 13 I am on leave, and you can write alternate number, I will be back on 30th, and please contact this, whatever you want. Suppose we only want this much, okay, just click on save changes, and here you can see I am on leave is already there. Now from a different mail I will show you by mailing, okay. You can see from here I will mail to my ID that please submit this, please send me this, only this much, or you can attach something, whatever you want. I have just given one email. We have seen that in our mail vacation responder is on. So what we want is that people should know that you are on leave, so that they don't disturb you. As soon as we send the message and we just do refresh, and you can see that automatic reply. Okay, 1 minute, it sometimes it may take a little bit of time. I won't edit this to show you the reality. Okay, not that I have done the editing and all. Yes, see, it's there, Lokesh Agarwal, I am on leave, please alternate number this, please send me this. We have written whatever we have written. So this can be amazing. Half of the people will stop disturbing you, because many times there are official calls only. So if you can mail them using vacation responder, it will be an amazing thing. So we go back to our email, and anytime you can end it, and this will be great. See, please send me this, and you can see that it replied automatically. So this can be a game changer. Another thing, the bonus trick or the last hack you can say for today, which is more amazing. So let us do one thing. I want to search one mail, suppose James Clear. Okay, now there are so many mails, so I have to search something. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Okay, this is the common thing when we are searching through a list of emails. What we can do is very simple. Okay, this thing you can see here, we can switch on the vertical mode, which means that as soon as I click on the email, I can see the email very clear. No need to go to the email and check and again go front back. You will get saved yourself from this hassle. Okay, this can be amazing. In case you don't find it here, what you can do is again go to settings and go to down below, and inbox type is default. Okay, not an issue. What we want is reading pane, no split, or right inbox or below inbox. Below inbox I don't find so useful, but right inbox is maximum times I am using, especially when I have to search something. Not only this, you can also reply and do everything. You don't have to go back and front. This is really hassle free. Okay, well, I want to end this video, but really one more thing I want to say as a bonus. You can see, okay, this I could not stop myself, because next trick is even more useful. Simple. When you have to send many mails to one person, suppose 12-month statement, there are 12 different mails, or 12-month GST return, or anything, you have to send someone 12 emails. Okay, so what we do, go to the mail and then forward, again go to the next mail, then forward, again go to the next mail, and then forward. This is old style. Moreover, the magic here is that when you are sending 12 mail, most likely one or two email will be missed, or the party will say that I have so many emails, again one email is missing, 1 month statement is not there, 1 month GST return is not there, you have not sent only, please resend. All this issue you can solve in one go. What we can do is very simple. Go to compose, and suppose I have to send 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, suppose 6 months, simply I drag, and as an attachment I can send the emails. This is really amazing, so that number one, you will not miss out. We are sending 12, party will receive 12. Number two, you no need to go and front and back and send individual emails. It is less chances that they will miss out the email. Okay, so once again I will mail and show you how it looks. Okay, we reduce the attachment, maybe because it will be heavy, otherwise it will take time to load. Just 4 emails, and find the, please find attached. So I just click on send, and we will see how it looks like. Okay, so I have sent in this email, and little bit we have to wait, since there are 4 attachment, maybe 2 3 5 seconds. We will keep on refreshing. I have purposefully not edited, once again I'll say, so that live and real thing can be shown. I will show you things, and really when it is taking time, then you will say what he has shown, it is taking time. I don't want to do that. Okay, so exactly whatever is the reality, I want to show that only. And the things that I am using, I have already told earlier that maximum things that I use every day, I will show that only, plus something that I can learn that may be useful to you. Okay, it is taking too long of time. Yes, so it is here, and we have sent 4 attachment, and when anybody will open, they can see the entire email. Not only that, if there is any attachment, right now there is no attachment in the email that we sent, but different mail and time and date and everything who has sent, whatever you want, complete email ideas you can get. And that's the beauty of this. They cannot say that they have received 11 out of 12 or something is missed. All at one place, no chance of missing, and beautifully sent. Hope you got some value out of this video. So don't forget to like the video in order to make YouTube Papa happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part today. That's all for today. See you in the next video.